My career award is about research, education, and integration of these two components. So in the research side, what we try to do, we create atomically thin, we call it two-dimensional materials, but the thickness is just one atom thin. And so we make that in a large scale so that we can use it in various purposes, for example, sensors. But before doing that, we try to understand their fundamental properties. So that's the research part. And the education part, we bring this for the training of the students and researchers in my group, even to the classroom, this knowledge. My students in the group, they are from different background in terms of educational background, from both men and women candidates. They are working in our group from underrepresented community. So we try to keep our research very diverse. I feel very humble to get this award, but at the same time it gives me the opportunity to exercise my long-term vision again in the research and education.